Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reconnect Ultrahuman ring. So after a disconnection or sync glitch, so you can use a sequential troubleshooting process. Okay, so first phase is that we go on our phone settings and then under the Bluetooth, and right here you will see something like UH and then EC733. So this is this ring. Right here I will click on this gear icon, and now as you can see here I can do it forget this device or unpair it. So yeah, toggle your smartphone's Bluetooth to switch to off, wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. So it will completely restart your smartphone. Then the next thing is, what you're going to do is you will place your ring onto live power source so you will put it on Ultrahuman charging dock. Then ensure the LED light on the dock turns solid white, so this indicate a stable charge connection, and leave it there for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then jump back to the Ultrahuman app on your phone, like so, and now we will head over to connect the ring. So what you're going to do is head over to the top left corner where you see this gray icon right now, but if you have connected ring you can you will see green. So click on that and then scroll down a little bit and you will see here soft reset, factory reset, deep reset, disconnect ring. So if you have it disconnected you can reconnect or sync ring data here, or also you will click here on setup new ring. So connect ring or set up new ring, and yeah, this would need to solve every issue that you have with reconnecting. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.